All right, this short video, I want to show you how to prioritize something when everything is important, because as an entrepreneur, we know that everything that we're doing is important, right? So this is one idea or one strategy that I use to really get to what is really important very, very quickly. And when you learn this, you'll never go back to doing anything or any other decision-making strategy ever again. So it's based on a strategy that I took from The Power of Focus by Canfield, Hansen, and Hewitt. So it's a great book if you want to go pick that up. But this is where the strategy comes from. It's very, very simple. So let's say that we have 8 items that we need to do, and it's all important to us, right? So one of them might be check email. Another one might be organizing our desk. Another one could be writing an email, like an email sequence or campaign or something like that. Maybe we need to hire a bookkeeper, or we're designing a logo, let's say. I'm just making all this stuff up, right? Prospecting calls might be another priority that we need to do. We might need to post on Facebook. And what I mean by posting on Facebook, it's, if you're marketing and doing stuff like that, not just putting on like, hey, this is what I just had for lunch, right? And maybe you want to attend a webinar, and that might be something to do with your business. So if you can look at the chart there, you say, okay, well, what out of the first 2 is the most important? If I had to choose one of those, of the first 2 items, which one is the most important? And in this example, it would be organizing my desk, okay? And we continue down the chart to do this. So we look at the next 2 and we say, okay, out of 3 and 4, if I had to choose one, which one would it be? Well, I'm sure you can see where this is going, and that's going to be hire a bookkeeper, right? And we follow the example all the way down with 5 and 6. So out of those 2, I would assume that prospecting calls would be important, and then 7 and 8 would be posting on Facebook, because that might be part of our marketing, part of our strategy, whatever that looks like. And then we do the same thing again. We say, okay, well, out of organizing my desk and hiring a bookkeeper, which one is the most important? Well, hiring a bookkeeper, right? And then out of prospecting calls and posting on Facebook, which one is most important? Well, maybe posting on Facebook might be the most important thing there. It could be prospecting calls, but maybe it's about the marketing. We don't know. So I'm just keep making this stuff up. But out of what you're trying to do is basically narrow down what is the most important thing out of 2 items, and it makes it really easy. So now we've got left post on Facebook or hire a bookkeeper. Well, it's hire a bookkeeper. And then right away, you know that your number 1 priority out of all those 8 items within less than 30 seconds, if you're honest with yourself, you know what your number 1 priority is, okay? So what I've done is I've made a prioritizing flow chart for you like this, and you can download it somewhere on this page, and you can print these off and use them if you want to, or just do it yourself. You don't need the fancy flow chart. But I just really wanted to share this tip with you, because we have so many things that we got going on every single day, and this has helped me immensely prioritize what is most important. And guess what? When you hire that bookkeeper, it's probably not going to take you all day. Go through the whatever's left on that list for that day and prioritize out of that. Hopefully this helped you out. I'll talk to you again.